guys? Welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax. Today we are checking out the 230 SPX that we have in stock by Sea Ray. Really nice boat with the sports tower, the big 200 Mercury on the back, and then comes with this dual axle trailer with brakes. This is the Horizon hull color and the black bottom option. So I really like this because it looks good under the water, but if you're going to add bottom paint too, it doesn't leave that kind of white gap in between the hull color and the actual bottom paint there. Sports tower comes in black, and then once we jump up into the boat, I'll show you the interior. It is the white with the black trim. Let's jump up on in there. So once I'm jumping up into this boat, I actually noticed it looked a little different in the light, but this is the stone interior. You have sea deck on the swim platform, and what that actually does is it brings it up. It's all glued down so it doesn't come off in the water, but that actually comes into your very first step here. Once we get inside the cockpit, you have the infinity woven vinyl carpeting, and then that stone obviously carries throughout with the accent and everything. Before we run up to the front of the boat, I want to show you a couple things here. The first is with the outboard setup, this massive storage locker. Really awesome. You want to throw tubes in there, you know, inflatable paddle boards. You can throw a wakeboard in there. Really awesome spot. And then on top of that is actually a multi-position lounger here. So this pops up, you know, you can create a backrest scenario there. You have all illuminated cup holders, storage down the side of the boat, as well as your battery switch right here, easy access at the side. Coming into the boat, big ski locker down the middle, loungers up to the side, Sea Ray's famous adjustable lounger here. So this whole port side can become a single bench, or you know, it's just a couple of you guys. You put it in the back position, and there is also an in-between position there too. You have all fusion audio throughout this, windshield with the middle opening obviously so you can get up to the front. Before we get up there, we'll check out the helm with Mercury's digital throttle and shift, and the active trim standard on there. Fusion unit for the radio, and a Simrad display, which will give you depth, charts, fish finder, all that fun stuff right on there. Up at the bow, you have 2 speakers, couple of cup holders, all accent lighting, and a great array of seating there. Guys, this one's in stock inside of our showroom. We're up here in Danvers, right off of 128 at 10 Hutchinson Drive. You want to come check this one out. You want to see what else we got in inventory. We got over 70 stores, so there's no shortage of us finding you the boat you want. Come down, stop by, give us a call. My number is 781-635-8684. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll go from there. Thanks.